Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Lexmark printer instant fix step by step. Begin by ensuring your Lexmark printer is powered on and ready for setup. Next, check that your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer or mobile device. For wired connections, use a USB cable to connect your printer to the device directly. If using Wi-Fi, access your printer's control panel. Navigate to the network or wireless settings. Select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard or Network Setup. Choose your wireless network from the list provided. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Press OK to confirm the connection. Your printer will now attempt to connect to the network. Once the connection is established, look for a confirmation message on the screen. Next, open your computer or mobile device. For Windows users, go to the control panel and select Devices in Printers. Click on Add a printer. Your Lexmark printer should appear in the list. Select it and click Next to complete the installation. For Mac users, open System Preferences and choose Printers and Scanners. Click the plus button to add a new printer. Select your Lexmark printer from the list and click Add. To verify the connection, print a test page from your device. If the test page prints successfully, your printer is connected. If it does not print, double-check your Wi-Fi settings or USB connections. You can also restart both your printer and computer for troubleshooting. Refer to the printer's user manual for any specific connection issues. Your Lexmark printer should now be fully operational and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.